So your Calista Ion Roller short set comes with your storage case. You get 12 clips. There's 12 rollers. So we have the smaller size, that's 1 inch, 6 of those, and 6 of 1 1/4. The docking station has an on and off switch. That's what's charging the heater that's inside the roller. Now, the roller starts out with an indicator light that's dark. When it goes red, that means it's fully heated. Because that heater's inside, that heat's gonna last up to 20 minutes, and the tips on the edges are cool to the touch. All right, you ready to try rollers for the first time?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do first for volume.
Okay.
Right?
Got it.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the shorter set, and we're gonna come right down the top.
Okay.
We're just gonna put a few right down, right?
Okay.
Because we're gonna get lots of lift from that.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna show you how, and then you can go ahead and I'll let you.
Okay.
All right. So you don't want your section really any wider than the roller.
Okay.
The more lift and volume you want, the more you want this roller to sit on its space. So in other words, I'm gonna pull forward, get all these ends wrapped around those nice teeth that kind of grab them. And then this is gonna sit right on the section.
Okay.
So it's not dragged back,
Okay.
you know, and that's how we're gonna get our maximum volume. And then you're just gonna put in your clip.
Pull it forward. I'm gonna put my hands in.
Can we switch that with the white one? That
Yeah.
Real quick, that's all right, right? That,
Oh, here, can
grab
I?
that white one.
Did it come with the gray?
The white. Another thing is if you're ever worried about this clip making creases at all on the first one,
Okay.
you can do a clip to the side. And do that. You
Okay.
can do it on both
Good to know.
sides if you want.
Okay.
But then you can just make sure you don't have those lines. Yeah.
Got it.
All right, so now I'm taking the whole side. So here's the thing about hot rollers. You can use the whole dozen if you want. You're gonna get a lot of curl. Or you can use a half a dozen and just get a little bit more body.
Okay.
So I'm putting this entire section into this because we're just gonna get a little bit more volume.
Okay, that's what I need.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have the 4 1 1/4 inches in there. So we're gonna do 2 more of those.
Okay.
And we're just gonna have to split this next section in half, right? So literally, the biggest thing is tucking in that end. You want that to be in there smooth. Otherwise, you're gonna have a little hook on the end there.
Okay. Good to know.
So the fun thing about the bottom is you have so many options. We could take this whole section and put it in one roller,
Okay.
right? And that's just gonna give you a little softness so that the bottom's not too curly. So literally 1 curler and clip. We can also obviously do just 2. And if you do 3, you can do a few things. So we can either flip up, so the bottom just has this little kind of flick, right?
Okay.
We can obviously go under with lift, that's gonna give us most volume. We can bring it down and go under, which will give you the most length. And then what we're gonna do right now is I'm just gonna do this to the side. So it just gives you kind of like a wave at the bottom.
Okay.
So these are rolling in sideways.
Perfect. Okay, Maria, how long should I keep these in for?
So does your hair take very well to curl?
Yeah.
Does it lose it quick?
Yes.
Okay. So So you have really fine hair. So the heat's going to last for up to 20 minutes.
Okay.
So you can do whatever you want now. You know what I mean? Get coffee, makeup, whatever you do in the morning because you let your hair dry by itself.
Yep.
Only using these on dry hair, obviously.
Yep.
So in this case, if you want lots of volume, we'll go ahead and leave them in the whole 20. But I think let's show what it looks like when you do 5 minutes.
Okay.
Sound good?
Perfect.
Okay. All right.
Here we go.
See how you did.
I think I did good.
Oh,
okay.
All that volume.